In this tutorial, I'll show you how to password protect your PDF for free using PDFGear. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've downloaded and installed PDFGear, which is a free PDF editor available for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Super efficient that you can use it across all platforms now. Since I already have the installation, all I need to do is just open the PDF I want to password protect. Navigate to the folder, select it, and click on open. Once I click on open, if it had a password, it would have prompted me to input the password for me to actually be able to access this particular document. But because it does not have the password, we need to add a password. I'll go to tools right here and then click on password and then type in my password. You need to set a minimum of 6 characters for your password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please don't use this. And you can left click and hold to see your password and then repeat this to confirm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then click OK. Now you'll get this particular prompt. Security settings will not be applied until you save the document. I'll click OK and click on save or press on Ctrl S. Now once I do that and I close this document and then navigate to the folder with that particular document and double click on it, it's going to open up again in PDFGear or whatever PDF viewing medium you're going to use, maybe your browser, Edge, or even Chrome, and it's going to prompt you to input your password to be able to view the contents of the PDF. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll click OK. And once you input your password, it's possible to view that particular PDF. I'll also try it out on Edge. Just drag and drop it right here. And there we go. It's going to prompt me for the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll click on open file. It's going to open up once I input the password for that particular PDF. And that is how you can easily password protect PDF files for free using PDFGear. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.